Sophie here, and I am very excited to unveil my special stocking stuffer edition Sophie's Picks Beauty Box. You are going to absolutely love what I put together in this particular box for you. All right, so I had so much fun putting together this box. What I really wanted to do here was I wanted to address winter skin, because I don't know about you, but for me, indoor heating sucks the moisture out of my skin. Have you ever noticed that in the winter your lips are more chapped than in the summer? Well, for me, it's not, but I live in LA, so it's not like I'm facing the snowy elements outside. It's because the moisture is being pulled out of my skin. So I've addressed that head on with the beautiful products that are in this box. Now, this is a very special edition box. As I said, it is the stocking stuffer box. And what that means is it is a slightly lower price because I wanted you to get these stocking stuffers. And the other super duper exciting thing, and we've never done this before, is because it's the holidays, we are putting a surprise gift product into every single box. Now, as I unbox this box, you're obviously not going to see the surprise product because it's a surprise. But trust me, you are going to be very happy at one of the surprise products that you receive. We just thought it would be something really fun to do this holiday season. So let's take a closer look at this particular box. Okay, let's take a walk through the box. So first off, we have a very unique product. Now, I said that I was going to address your winter skin, and let's get straight to it. This is by a brand called True Moringa. This is unique, very unique, for three reasons. For me. Number one, unique because very, very small batch company. And these are the brands that I really look for. So they pour in small batches. Very important when you're talking about plant oils. Number two, it is a sort of multifunctional product. So it is a beautiful moringa oil for your face, your body, and your hair. So how genius is that you can moisturize everything all just with one product? If you're traveling, how genius is that? And some of you who are more minimalist just might love that. Now, number three, and the most important, is moringa is a very unusual and unique oil. Unlike some of the other plant oils that we're used to using for our skin, such as sweet almond, jojoba, even argan, moringa has very special compounds in it that speed up the cell turnover and division in your skin, giving rise to obviously youthful, fresh, glowing skin. And that is very unique to moringa. I've chosen the lavender scent because it's universal. Most people love it. It's very light scent, works well for your body, your hair, and your face. So you will fall in love with that product. You will not be able to live without it. Now, while we're talking about cold-pressed plant oils, because I want you to remember that cold-pressed oils for your skin are as good as they're fresh. So again, from Australia, another very, very small batch, tiny little brand that really cares about its, processing. This is the it's Kiss Ready Skin. I love the name of this, Kiss Ready Skin. And very unique because it's chia seed oil. So this brand presses these fresh organic chia seeds to extract the oil. And the oil is perfect for your face because chia oil is unusually light. So unlike almost every other plant oil that's a little heavier on your face, if you're worried about breaking out, but you still want that moisture and you want something that's really going to nourish your skin with all the omegas that are contained in chia seeds, this would be a perfect oil for you. And it's a lovely little bottle, great for a stocking stuffer, but a little goes a long way. So you only need a few drops on your fingertips, you pat it into your skin, and you're good to go. So Kiss, I just love this. Kiss Ready Skin. All right, now next up, let's move into the shower. So This brand is called Java, and this caught my eye a while ago for some of their lip products. Another small brand. They use coffee primarily, and coffee is infused into all their products. Now, I particularly wanted the body wash, the Java body wash, because it's infused with this cold brewed coffee, and it's lovely for your body because coffee, as you may have heard, is skin tightening. It's very invigorating, but it also tightens your skin, which is why it's put in many cellulite products and under eye products, etc. And it is just invigorating, and I think it's just such a fun and beautiful way to start your morning with a coffee infused shower, body wash in your shower, and a great little Christmas gift or stocking stuffer for somebody. All right, now we're still in the shower. Oh my gosh, this particular soap is like nothing that you will have ever tried, and I'm so proud to curate them, to have this company, the Planet Soap Company, in my box. Now, the Planet Soap Company is one of the most environmentally friendly companies that I found as far as soaps are concerned to date. Now, I really recommend you go to their website, because if you're interested in soap making, it's fascinating how they make their soaps. It's a very special process, and it's a long process, which is probably why this is 3 to 4 times more expensive than a lot of soaps, obviously, that you would find at the drugstore. And this long process and special process gives rise to a soap that will not go slimy in the shower stall. So it lasts for a very, very long time. Each bar of soap, I think, is very precious because it does really last. And this one is infused with honey, so it's nourishing, moisturizing. You've got all the beautiful butters and whatnot, and some charcoal, you know, to give it this marbling effect and for detoxification. And again, look at their website, not just for how the soap is made, which is fascinating, but also all the different causes that they support and exactly how they help the environment and animals. It's very interesting. All right, talking about charcoal, let's look at another brand that's always been a favorite of mine, is In Vitamin. This is their it's basically a tooth powder. It's like a toothpaste. It's made with charcoal. I love to use it first thing in the morning because I brush my teeth as soon as I get up, not just to make my teeth shine before I have my lemon water, but also to remove the bacteria from my mouth, from my oral cavity, which is important before you drink your lemon water for many reasons. And this is just fantastic. You just dip your toothbrush in, brush, and if you don't want to brush with charcoal every single day, you could maybe do it 3 times a week, but thrilled to have them in this box. Okay, let's talk about cleansing. Another brand, Andalou Naturals. You know I've been a fan of theirs forever. This is their apricot cleanser, apricot probiotic cleanser. It is creamy, it is light, perfect size for travel, love it. Now let's talk about deodorant. So many of you know that I have recommended natural deodorants for many, many years now, but a lot of them, let's be honest, they don't work that well. So I'm always on the hunt for a new one that really does the job. So this is by Type A, and it's a very light citrus scent. It is unique. It's a unique formulation that really works. And it does not contain aluminum of any description, so it's safe in that respect because, as many of us now know, aluminum has been linked to some health issues, and we really want to try and avoid it for most of the time. I also want to show you this. When you apply it, it's in this tube, which is unique in of itself. Just a very gentle squeeze. You only need about that much. You apply straight to your armpits. And I think it makes for a much easier application than some of the pit pastes and the other sort of natural deodorants. We have a lovely sample from a perfume company, Pour Almond, that I love, and a little coupon. And then we have Hint. So Hint Beauty is a big favorite of mine for makeup. They have the most beautiful makeup. I've seen them grow over the years, so I think they almost like have a full line of makeup now. But this is their Sun Prep. So it's a beautiful primer for your skin. You know, it'll help protect your skin. It really gives this lovely, dewy, but not too dewy. I would say sort of velvet texture to your skin for perfect makeup application. And of course, Hint knows what they're doing with this because they sell makeup. They want to make sure that your canvas is in perfect shape before you apply your makeup, which is why they have created this outstanding product. So that, my friends, is what you're getting in this box. And I couldn't be more excited about it. So here's the deal. As I said before, this is a slightly lower price. It's $39.99 plus shipping and handling because we wanted to do this sort of special edition, slightly lower priced holiday box with your stocking stuffers. Plus, do not forget that on top of all of this, you are getting a free surprise product, a gorgeously green product. So I'm very excited about that. So to be first on the list to get one of these boxes, do not delay. Click on the link in the description to this video. Do it now because these boxes fly out of the door. They're almost always gone within a few hours. So I suggest you just click on that link right this minute so that you won't be disappointed. And I hope you manage to snag one of these beautiful Sophie's Picks Beauty boxes. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.